Did it again.
Ah.
When you go for the clutch.
Oh, putting your main beam on. You ready for me?
I think so.
Can't get on this one. There you go, come on.
We are nearly there.
Oh, we are. Wet and soggy. But the sun's come out now and there's blue sky that I can see, so that's good.
Can you be seen?
Pardon?
Can you be seen?
Yeah, I'm peeping.
Doing a thing like this, it's quite nice having a light clutch.
Yeah. Easier for slow.
Well, that year we did it on the Harley and nearly broke my hand. I don't think I'll do that again.
No.
I don't know if we've done an intro, but we probably should say welcome back to the channel.
Ah, yeah. Welcome to the channel. We are in sunny Stoke. Not lying, the sun has come out. And we are just pulling into the Easter egg run. And so far it does look like there's plenty of people that have made it out.
Oh. Looks like he's having a bad time.
Oh, we've all been there. We caught fire at the side of the road once. Let me find me £4.
Join the queue. Lots of people. Plenty of bikes. That's nice.
Hang on, my leg's not on. I don't think we've ever been here this early. Oh, there's a lot of people here.
There is. Find us a spot.
So,
That looks like a spot for us.
that's a gap, there you go, in the gap.
Find a gap, fill a gap. Probably ought to say thank you to Staffordshire Triumph as well.
Yes, for loaning us something to play with.
Indeed.
That's the best thing I've seen all day. Yeah, so it does a nice lip around Stoke and then we all meet at the town hall and they put music on and different stalls and there's some big trucks that collect all the Easter eggs.
Yeah, through concentrating on this, I completely forgot we were recording the video.
It's all for charity, and when this many people turn out to do something nice, it gives you good feels. You know, one of the things I shouldn't like this bit, but I do enjoy the people that don't read the updates because they put plenty of stuff out in Stoke. They do it for the Potter's Half, they do it for the egg run, they do it for the toy run, they do it for whatever event. There's always loads of road signs, loads of stuff saying this event is going on. But as we go round, you will always see some grizzly people stuck in traffic that hadn't paid attention.
Yeah.
Because all the roads get closed and we get priority.